Hello, I'm Lisa, your virtual teacher developed by the Imagine AI research team. I'm here to assist you with any questions you have or topics you like to explore. How can I help you today? Generative AI refers to a type of artificial intelligence that is designed to create new content or data based on the patterns it has learned from existing information. This can include generating text, images, music, and even videos. By using algorithms and models, generative AI can produce original works that mimic human creativity, making it a powerful tool in various fields such as art, entertainment, and communication. Essentially, it allows machines to generate outputs that are not just responses to inputs, but rather new creations that can be both innovative and engaging. You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need further information, feel free to ask. I'm here to help. Good day, everyone. Thank you for being here today. We stand on the brink of a comedic revolution, one that marries the circuitry of technology with the spontaneity of humor. Imagine a world where your daily dose of laughter